The Cherokee language does not belong to one person. The Cherokee language belongs to all of us Cherokee people. Out of 2,000-something speakers, when COVID hit, that took a lot of our elders away. And all the knowledge they had is gone. It's completely gone forever. No, there's no way of getting it back. The Durbin Field and Language Center, that bell stands in front of that building. And every time an elder passes away, they ring that bell, honoring that speaker. We're losing so many elders. That bell at the immersion is constantly ringing. I have heard it too many times. It's the language that we got to worry about, and it has to come from here, not like this. It's got to be from the heart. If you want to learn, bring it from the heart. Don't be stingy with what's not yours, because it belongs to all of us. It's a gift that Unasana gave us. Hopefully one day we will all have whole families speaking again. That's the only way our language will survive.
Go here. Go here. Go here.
Hallelujah.
Go here.